Mr. Speaker, I rise today in opposition to the Biden administration's proposal to mandate banks, credit unions, and other financial institutions to report the inflows and outflows of customer bank accounts to the IRS. Think big government has too much of your personal data now? Just wait until the Biden administration and congressional Democrats require banks to submit the financial transactions of millions of Americans to the IRS. Let me repeat that for the Americans watching on C-SPAN right now. President Biden, as part of his massive job-killing tax increase, wants the IRS to have unfettered power to spy on your bank accounts, your deposits, your withdrawals, and your payments. While I was pleased to see that the Ways and Means Committee did not include this provision in their bill during markup, news reports suggest there are still negotiations with the administration for its inclusion. A higher account threshold or other minor policy shifts will not solve the fundamental flaws with this proposal. The mandatory reporting of Americans' transactions violates their privacy, puts an undue burden on financial institutions that could cripple community banks that helped get government aid to struggling small businesses during the pandemic, and is predicated on the Biden administration's assumption that every American is somehow a tax cheat. How offensive. This is a disgusting example of big government overreach, and I am sounding the alarm. I urge my colleagues on both sides of the aisle to actively oppose this misguided and dangerous proposal.